welcome to I Just Reacted Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, right now I'm going to be reacting to a cover song. This is a song which is incredibly famous in our country. This is one of the most iconic and timeless songs. It's Tum Mile Dil Khile from the movie Criminal, which starred Nagarjuna and Manisha Koirala. Now this is a cover done by Anup Shankar, and this was also suggested by one of the viewers. He said that since you are reacting to cover songs and to singers doing many covers and new bands, please give him a go as well. So of course, why not, I definitely want to check him out. And I'm looking at his channel, and he's also pretty famous. He has like almost 4 lakh subscribers on his channel. And yes, I am very excited. This is a song that I love so much. It's one of my favorite Hindi songs. So without dealing this any further, let's react to Tum Mile Dil Khile, cover by Anup Shankar. All right. Oh, it's a proper video, not just.
सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझे में पाया, तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए।
What a song.
हाँ तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। ना हो तू दास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर। ना हो तू दास तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर। सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझे में पाया, तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए।
Subtle beats. Beautiful. Nice.
चंदा तुझे ओ देखने को निकला करता
I like his vocals.
आईना भी ओ दीदार को तरसा करता है।
Like how he modulated his voice there.
इतनी हंसी कोई नहीं, इतनी हंसी कोई नहीं। हुस्न दोनों जहां का एक तुझ में सिमट के आया, तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। చేరలేని ఒడులు విరహపు జాడలేనాడు వేడి కన్నేసి చూడలేని జతలో శత జన్మాల బంధాల బంగారు క్షణమిది తెలుసా మనసా ఇది ఏనాటి అనుబంధము
Nice.
తెలుసా మనసా
Wow.
ఇది ఏ జన్మ సంబంధం
Nice. Yes, sung by Kumar Sanu and Alka Yagnik in Hindi. Oh, and Chitra ma'am and wait, was that Bala Subramanian sir? Haan, Bala Subramanian. Sung by Anup Shankar. Flute. Wait. Yes, the flute. Sham Adat. Really like that flute part. DOP, yes. Kalyan Jewelers? Why did they produce this video? Okay, let me stop this first. So that was an amazing cover. I loved it. His vocals are really nice, and let's just talk about first the vocals, and then I want to talk about the music variation, like the way they covered it. Firstly, his vocals, of course they are great, of course they're amazing, but what I really liked was in between he sort of put his own spin and really subtle way, but I sort of caught it and I really liked that. Where he was doing like his voice modulation, really liked that. And thank you firstly for to this viewer for suggesting me this song. This song is such a nice song, and whenever I sort of listen to the covers of my favorite songs, I always get like a little defensive that it needs to be covered well, because it happens with all of our favorites. Like if something is your favorite song, if some song is your favorite and it's not covered well, you're not gonna like it. So I was like, okay, I need to listen to this, let me react to it, let me see if I like it or not. But when I went to his channel, I said he has a lot of subscribers, I'm sure he's ultra talented, which he is. That's one thing about his vocals. Second, I loved, like at the first verse, the song started so slow. The tempo was actually slower than the original one, and then in the first verse also it was really slowed down, and then it builds up in the middle part, and then when the second verse starts, it sort of like is a slow rock that I loved. I really liked the beats there. I really liked the beats, which made it really different, because in the same song the first verse sounds a little different, the mood of the first verse is different, the mood of the second verse is completely different, and then it builds up, and then again slows down when he starts singing in Telugu. So that was amazing. I loved it. Thank you again so much for asking me to react to this cover, because I love this song so much, and now I'm really happy listening to this cover as well. So yes, that was it guys. That was my reaction for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Do suggest me as always, up for your suggestions for various bands and various singers. So I am also educating myself and getting more and more knowledge on this field, on the field of music, arts and entertainment. So yes guys, that was it from me today, and I hope you've come till the end of the video. And yes, I will see you on my next video guys. Bye bye.